all ties with the darkness. The rest of the world has turned so heartless, but I stand my ground regardless. All my battles thus far been the hardest. I hold it down while my heart pounds, cause I'm in the middle of the skirmish, but earnest, yes I'm earnest whenever I hear his words in worship service. So I vow with my heart to the Most High that I never let a single day go by, that I won't contend for my faith. Never ever will I slow down my pace. I'ma fight to stay in the light, keep sight in the midst of this fight. I preserve my right eye from my left to my right eye. Keep my vision on my mission, it may take more than one try. I'll take that one try even if it means dying. At least I died in the heat of the battle, and I know in my heart I defeated the shadows that was cast on my past to sin. A place that you never ever find me in, a place that you never ever find me in, a place that you never ever find me in. So in the end of the war for my faith, I'm the one who wins.
We are warriors, fight to keep ourselves